In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix taskbar is not hiding in full screen mode in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, we need to bring up our task manager. So there are two ways on how to do such. You can simply press Ctrl Shift and Escape key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the task manager. Or you can simply navigate here at the search bar, type for task manager, and eventually you can see a best match. All you need to do is you need to click on it. Okay, please proceed here, and please proceed to it by double tapping. Okay, now in a few moments you would be able to be navigated to the task manager, where it is being composed of processes, performance, app history, and more. And you can see that you can create or run a new task here, and you can also track the CPU, the GPU, memory, disk usage of your PC on a specific background processes or application here in your Windows. So expand it first, and from here you need to locate with Windows Explorer. So your Windows Explorer might be running under the apps, or it might be running under the Windows processes. So all you need to do is you need to locate for it. Once you have find it, please make a right click and go with restart. Yes, you need to restart your Windows Explorer, and you might be confused why. Now, we need to restart the Windows Explorer because the moment you've restarted it, your taskbar would be restarted or being refreshed again. So in that way, you would be able to fix the problem. Once done, try to check if the taskbar would be hiding the moment you will watch a video in any of a website, or even here by using an application by watching a video. Try to check if it's hiding for full screen mode or in full screen mode here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.